In this video, I want to just quickly look at two AP questions from the past, one on series and one on improper integrals. The first one says, if the limit as b approaches infinity of the integral from 1 to b of dx over x to the p is finite, which of the following is true? Here's what this means. Okay, let's just think about this. This means that the improper integral converges. It has an answer because the answer was finite. Well, what we've talked about with the integral test is if the improper integral converges, then the series that relates to it also converges. Now, that doesn't mean they converge to the same thing. It doesn't mean that, if I knew the answer here was, 3, it doesn't mean that the answer to the series is 3. It just means it also converges. So it is going to be A. The series also converges. Now, let's just look at some of the other ones. Obviously, it doesn't diverge. And this starts changing the exponent. We don't change the exponent. It is the same integral. And you notice from n equals 1. So it's from 1 to infinity. So we wouldn't change the exponent. This one, we have an integral from 0 to infinity, x squared e to the negative x cubed. So we're going to limit as b approaches infinity. Let's think a little substitution here. If u was negative x cubed, du would be negative 3x squared dx. Divide both sides by negative 3. So that way I can take out the x squared and the dx. So this integral becomes, I'm going to write the integral first. I'll put the limit in at the end. I'm going to have a negative 1/3. I have an e to the u du. And actually I should be rewriting the bounds. I guess it won't matter. They'll still be 0 and b, but or 0 and infinity, but by rights I should be rewriting them. The antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u, so it's negative 1/3 e to the u. I'm going to put x cubed back in. Evaluate at b 0. Doing the limit as b approaches infinity. So let's focus on the fact that this is a negative x. Well, I guess we wouldn't even really need to, because e to the negative b cubed minus 1/3 e to the 0, like that, limit as b approaches infinity. This will approach 0 because e to the negative infinity is approaching 0. And then I forgot my negative here. Sorry. Minus negative 1/3, and this will be minus negative 1/3, so the answer is just 1/3.